Hi guys, I'm Kathy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us see how to make this beautiful Christmas bell. So let's start. For this, we will need a waste bottle. Make sure that it is plastic. Cut the top part of the bottle as shown in the video. This year, I'm going to decorate my Christmas tree using handmade things. After decorating, I'll try to upload a video on my Christmas tree decoration. So, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Be careful while using heated knife. Cut one more bottle in the same way. As soon as possible, I'll upload a reuse video using the bottom part of the bottle. Cover the bottle using color tape like this. Cover the cap of the bottle like this. Now I am using a slightly different tape to decorate it. Do the same with the other bottle also. Once again, heat the knife and make a hole at the cap of the bottle. Take a twine and make a knot. Cover the knot in the twine using foil paper like this. Make a ball out of it. To insert it inside the hole, I am using a matchstick. Now apply tape at the top like this. Tie a twine in both of the bells like this. Hide the twine using the same color tape. Now hold both the bells together and wrap using tape like this. Now it's time to add some decorations. Glue some artificial decorations at the top of the bells. These Christmas holy berries are from my last year DIY Christmas decoration video. If you have not seen the video, I am giving the link in the description box below. Do watch it. If you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon. Bye. See you in next video.